Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. South African musician Lehlonoholo Chauke, also known as Shep Mabena, has failed in his bid for release after the Polokwane High Court dismissed his bail appeal on Tuesday. Delivering judgment, Judge Karin Pillay ruled that the new grounds raised by Chauke did not warrant bail. Chauke is facing multiple charges including attempted murder, culpable homicide and assault GBH, allegedly committed on separate occasions while he was already out on bail. Judge Pillay said the fact that Chauke had committed 6 offenses while on bail weighed heavily against him. The court held that Chauke had cited the need for medical treatment for a broken leg and the birth of his child this year while in custody as new facts. However, Judge Pillay ruled that the medical condition was only raised in his second bail application and therefore did not qualify as a new fact. On the birth of his child, the judge said the infant could still be supported through the musician's royalties. Chauke remains in custody pending the finalization of his matters. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.